Welcome to Worthy Wonder, and happy National Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day. Today we're celebrating this beloved comfort food by showing you how to make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich at home. To start, you'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread and your favorite cheese. We recommend using a good quality bread and cheese for the best flavor. Next, assemble your sandwich by placing the cheese between the 2 slices of bread. Heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat and add a small amount of butter or oil. Place the sandwich in the skillet and cook for 2–3 minutes on each side until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melted. And there you have it, the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. Of course, you can get creative with your ingredients by adding things like bacon, tomatoes, or even avocado to your sandwich. The possibilities are endless. If you are continuing enjoying the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's look back in history. The origins of grilled cheese sandwiches can be traced back to the 1920s, when sliced bread and processed cheese became widely available in the United States. In fact, the first recipe for a grilled cheese sandwich was published in a 1928 cookbook called Welch Rarebit Variations. Since then, the grilled cheese sandwich has become a beloved comfort food around the world, with many different variations depending on the region and culture. In France, for example, they have the croque monsieur, which is a grilled cheese sandwich with ham and bechamel sauce. And in Italy, they have the mozzarella in carrozza, which is a sandwich made with mozzarella cheese and fried bread. So whether you like your grilled cheese sandwich simple or with a twist, there's no denying that this classic comfort food has stood the test of time. Happy National Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day!